Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Rustam, and in today's video I'm going to introduce Excel sheet. As a teacher, we need to learn this very important sheet because whenever we have to prepare students' result, so there is lot of data, and this sheet automatically calculates and automatically adds up our results. So first of all, in front of you is a full assessment sheet, which is usually kept with the teacher. Okay, and whenever we want to submit an award list to the university, so this is the format, as you can see here. This is the format submitted to the university. So this is revised format provided by Ahmedabad University of Science and Technology. So let me magnify it before I explain different. So sessional work, as you can see here, has been given a weightage of 20%, and it has been divided into three categories: presentation or class test. Okay, and then we have just a minute. Then we have assignment and seminar. Just a minute. I'm gonna. Okay. So then last one is quiz or viva. So these marks I have myself bifurcated because university hasn't mentioned how much marks should go here. So total sessional work weightage is 20%. So this has been kept blank for teachers, so they can decide. Midterm is fixed at 30%, and terminal exam is 50%. So this sheet has to be submitted to the university. So now let me explain how we can maintain our own record as a teacher. Okay, so here we go to the previous sheet. So just a minute. This one is the main sheet. So this sheet is called full assessment sheet. Let me first zoom out to show you, as you can see here. So let me now zoom in. This is kept with the teacher. Let's say you have got 6% presentation and class test. So here I have shown the name of the roll number of the students and the name of the students. Now presentation which I designed, it was for 50 marks, and test was for 40 marks. Total marks are 90. So you can add a formula here. Let me show you how we add a formula. So first of all, you need to put equal sign like this. Let me magnify for you. Just a minute. Here we go. Just a minute. Okay, now hope it is visible to you. So hit your equal key on the keyboard like this. Then type sum, put a small bracket. Now you have to sum cell number D and cell number E, and it is row number 11. Okay, so let's say you can say D11 plus E11, then place the small bracket again. After entering all this, hit your enter key on keyboard. See, it is automatically added up, and you can see the formula in the formula bar. Okay, is equal to sum D11 plus E11. So now you can drag it down, and it will be applicable to all the cells. Now whenever you enter, let's say, let me show you the name of the students. Now out of 50, this student has got 37, and this student has got 35 and 27, etc. Let's say it's a presentation. Now test, let's say you design a test for 40 marks. Okay, so, and you can change the value here. As soon as you enter a value, let's say it is now 40, let's say I enter 60. So what happens? This value is automatically changed because there is a formula applied. So let me bring it back. After entering presentation marks and test marks, this is automatic total. Now what do we do here? Let me erase it for you. Now I have given presentation and test a weightage of 6%. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to write 6, that is, now I'm going to calculate how much a student will get out of 6. So here I'm going to put equal sign. Okay, now after this this is the total. Okay, just a minute. I'm going to put this value. This value is F cell number 12. Okay, see F12, as you can see this is 12 and this is F, column number F and row number 12. So F12 divided by this 90. Okay, you have to insert the figure, not a cell. Okay, just put 90. Okay, now after this you have to it means that 62 out of 90 multiplied. For multiplication you can press asterisk button or star button. Okay, this one, and now multiplied by 6. Okay, now hit the enter key. Now these are the marks out of 6. Now you can drag it down and it will be applicable to every cell. As you can see, I'm dragging it down. So now you have calculated. Let me explain. This student Sahara, she got 62 marks out of 90 and she got 4.1 marks out of 6. So you have calculated the weightage of presentation and test automatically. Okay, 3% has been given to presentation and 3% to test, and or you cannot even put 3%, or here you can say total presentation and test total is 90 and weight is 6, and out of 6 this, and even you can change here, you can give a weightage of 4 here. It is up to you, it is flexible, but your total must be 20. Here see 6, 8 and then total. Now here is second column, assignment or seminar. You can give an assignment to a student or a seminar, and let's say I have given 20 marks assignment and 20 marks seminar. Actually I didn't conduct a seminar, this was another test given to students. So let me show you again. Here is a total, as you can see 40, and this is automatic, that is H, this is H cell, column number H and column number I, as you can see here I11 H11, and sum has been made, and when we drag it, it automatically adds up. Now here let me once again explain. I'm gonna read all this for you and see how we manage it. Now again I have given the weightage 6, so this is 6. Now here I am going to put the formula. Okay, because this is students row number 12, so is equal to, okay, now this cell number J, okay, automatically placed. Now I have to put a divide sign like this. So this student has got 28 out of 40, so write down 40. Now how much he or she will get out of 6, so put a multiplication mark, and this is asterisk in Excel sheet. Now put 6. Now hit the enter button and see your value has been calculated. That is, if this student has got 28 out of 40, he or she will get 4.2 out of 6. Now drag it down and it will be applied to all the cells. So now you are here, quiz and viva. So I gave a quiz for 30 marks and a viva of 76 marks. Actually I couldn't give a viva to students, so I gave another quiz of 76 marks, that is MCQ based quiz. So here is the total, as you can see here, and when you drag it down it will be applicable to every cell. Now how do we calculate this? Let me erase it for you. And here 8, that is I have given it the value of 8, so is equal to, this is how we apply the formula, is equal to, and click here 70, so and 12, This is column number n and cell number 12. It has been added. Now put a division sign, and now out of this, that is 70 out of 106. So put 106 multiplied by 8. Now you have to enter the press enter key. Now this student has got 5.3 out of 8. Sorry. So drag it down, and this way, so you have automatically calculated presentation and test score, assignment, seminar. Now you have to add sessional total. So this 20 is actually, as you can see, is the total of this let's say 11, K11 and O11, and you can see here G11, K11, O11. How do we do it? Let me erase it for you. So put equal sign like this. Okay, now put sum like this, and is equal to sorry again sorry. Now this is G and this is 11, so G11, type G11 plus K11 plus O11. Now close it with a small bracket, and now press enter key. See, it is automatically 20. So you can drag it down, and it will be applied to every cell. Okay, let me show it to you. Just a minute, let me change the color. Okay, so when you drag it down, every cell is added up. So you can see now this is 13.6. In order to put it into round figure, we go to format cells. Okay, and click on number, and then click on decimal, no decimal point. Okay, now as you can see here, it is automatically changed. So let me change the color here. Just a minute. We are going to give black color here, and then this one. So out of 20, as you can see, each student score has been automatically calculated, 14. So this is student number 1. Let me show you the name. Just a minute. See, roll number 16, 01, Sahara. She got 14 marks out of 20 sessional total. So in the next sheet, which is attached to it, automatically score is added. As you can see, Sahara 14 out of 20. So this is the sheet to be submitted to the university, and when you make any changes in the previous sheet, so in the next sheet changes are made automatically. I'll explain it in another video. However, so you have seen that how I have added all these scores. So now this is midterm exam. You have to enter manually. Okay, so midterm exam score have been added manually. Once terminal exam occurs, you have to enter these manually. However, here again formula has been added. 100 means that sum of P11, see, this is P, as you can see, P, E11, Q11, R11, and this is 100. So when you drag it down, so this is automatically applied. So when you have entered all the scores, this sheet is automatically prepared. I'm going to explain it how we do it in the next video. So once it is done, you can print it out and you can submit this sheet to the controller of exam, and this sheet can be sent to the university award list, and as you can see here, and this one can be kept with you. Let me click here. This one you can keep with yourself. It's a full assessment sheet, and it's a record of whatever students have done and percentage of students. As you can see, it varies. Out of 6, some students get 3, some 3.2, some 1.7 even, and here as you can see again 6, 1.8, 2.7, 5. So you have to maintain this record honestly. Thank you very much.